Let's say we want to create a dental clinic. Pascal covers most of the traditional items for furnishing homes, but a dentist chair? That's not in the catalog. So what do you do when you have very specific needs? That's exactly what the new AI item builder in Studio is for. Open Studio and go to Item Builder, New Item. From here, you can upload a GLB you already have or generate one with AI. You get to pick from the best models available right now: Sam 3D, Tripo, Hunyuan, Rodan, Meshi. Some take a reference image, some go straight from text. Let's start with Rodan. I drop in a reference image of a dentist chair, type dentist chair in the description, and generate. While that one is cooking, let's launch a second one, Tripo P1 this time, with a reference image of a dentist. And a third one, Rodan, text only, for a teeth denture. The kind of thing you only find at a dental clinic or at your grandparents' house. Generation takes a few minutes. You can keep building your project while you wait, or put on Pascal Radio and relax. It's on our YouTube channel too, if you miss the Pascal vibe when you're working outside of Pascal. And our 3 generations are ready. Every item is processed automatically. We generate the thumbnail and we find the right categories, tags, and rooms it should be attached to. You can fine-tune all of it by hand. The thumbnail, for example, if the default angle isn't the perfect one for this item, move the camera and shoot a new one. Scaling is where AI-generated items usually get it wrong. The proportions are generally good, but the overall size is off. Bottom right, you can see the current dimensions of the item. So adjust the scale in Transform until they match the real-world ones. Once the scale is right, hit Auto on the dimensions. That updates the bounding box Pascal uses, and it centers the item. And save. Don't forget to save. Same process for the teeth denture. Adjust the scale, and in the Info tab, you can check that everything set automatically during the processing is good. Save. Now the dentist. Default height is 1 meter, so let's bring it to around 1.78 meters. Shoot a better thumbnail. And save. Our assets are ready. From the 3 dots drop-down, you can download the model or send it straight to the editor. And it's now ready to be placed in Pascal. If the scaling isn't perfect, you can always adjust it in the editor, for this instance only. Now the dentist. Let's place him, rotate him, ready to take care of patients. And finally, the little accessory that makes this dental clinic real, the teeth denture on the desk. If you want to contribute to the Pascal community, mark your item as public from the 3 dots drop-down. It becomes available in the community, and anyone can use it in the Pascal editor. You can browse other people's items there too, in the Items section. And ours are now publicly available. This time, let's dive into a totally different project, a bouldering space with a gym. The gym items already exist in the Pascal catalog. For bouldering, nothing. Back to Studio, and let's start with the lockers. I'm taking this one from Sketchfab. Free or paid assets both work, and so does anything you created yourself in Blender or any other 3D tool. Just like an AI-generated item, your asset is processed automatically. Let's click on Use in Editor. Place it and duplicate. We now have a safe place to store our things during our climbing sessions. Time to generate the bouldering assets. Let's try a simple text prompt first. Bouldering wall. And for the individual climbing wall holds, Tripo P1 with reference images. If you're not happy with a generation, simply try a different model, a different prompt, or a different reference image until you get the result you expected. Our climbing wall holds are ready. In Transform, choose Attach to Wall Side. That makes its placement work for walls in the Pascal editor. Rotate it, scale it, and offset it so it sits exactly where it should be on the wall. Let's take a better thumbnail. And let's quickly do the same for the blue hold and the orange one. Perfect. Now, Use in Editor. And you can see this little icon on the left showing it's a wall item. We hover the wall and the item goes exactly where our cursor is. Using C, we can switch from placing a single item to placing multiple ones. Ideal when you repeat the same one. We place the yellows, the oranges, and the blues. Lovely. And we can see the full wall generation is ready. Let's adjust the scale and use it right next to our custom wall. 2 more assets landed. 1 big rock covered in holds. Let's scale it up for the middle of the room. And another bouldering wall, this one without the character. See how our bouldering gym took life? A dental clinic and a bouldering gym in a home editor. If the item you need doesn't exist yet, you can now build it.